Hello, crafty friends. I want to wish you all a happy holiday. I want to start my video today by talking a little bit about my 25 days of Craftmas. So I know I've been gone, and I haven't been super consistent throughout my break. Life gets in the way, and recently, the past few days, I was sick, and it just been a lot. Like, there's things about motivation and lack of consistency, so I apologize about that on my part. But I will do and I'm gonna update you guys on the challenge, and then we're just gonna jump into I got a chance on Christmas to do a art journal, so I'm gonna share my spread with you all. But for now, the purpose of this giveaway that I did was for the 200 subscriber giveaway. So it is, or it was, a Christmas challenge, and I called it the 25 Days of Craftmas. Okay, well, as you can tell, because on Christmas it was supposed to be the last day of Craftmas. But as you can tell, we didn't make it up to 25 days. It's okay. It was a challenge. I didn't I thought I was gonna open up my camera and be this robot and, go from not posting with a busy life to 25 days of posting. And that was a great challenge, but it didn't happen the way that I wanted it to happen. Life happens. It was a challenge. It was a challenge for me as well. I, you know, I thought about this a whole lot. I learned a lot. I did get new subbies and lots of good and positive feedback. I am so happy for that. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Like, that means so much to me, and I really, really appreciate it. I tried my best. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the words for you all, because I did want to. I know I did an updated community post. I don't remember if I kept it on my channel or not, but the last day that I'm gonna have the words by was January 1st. That will give you all a chance from January 1st until January 7th, my drawing for the giveaway, to email me those words, unscrambled, of course. I did give a hint in my last video, and I updated you guys on the 6 words. So, with that being said, I'm going to make 3 videos today, and post them, one today, the 30th, 31st, and then the 1st. And each video will have 2 words in it, which are the leftover 6 words. And then beyond that, I will see if I will continue Craftmas. Then it's gonna be like Valentine's Day videos and such. But for the 12 days of Craftmas, the 12 words, they're gonna be there. I'll be at lbcards2021@gmail.com with your YouTube name, please, and the 12-word sentence to enter the giveaway. I already had one of my crafty friends email me with the 12-word sentence. So yeah, I'm so happy about that, because I felt like this was a fun way to, enter a giveaway. And then for any additional entries, so the the prizes range from the $50 gift certificate for scrapbook.com to some mystery crafty goodies, and then anything I made in the 25 days of Craftmas. I already said thank you for all the love and support in advance. The winner will be January 7th in a YouTube short. So, or I might post a video, we'll see. So, good luck and happy crafting. So, I wanted to mention right here, this is the extra part of the giveaway. So, you had a chance to, or have a chance to repost the video in the community tab and tag me for extra entry. So that will be until the January 7th. Now I want to jump into my journal, or my art journal. Okay, so I got this really cute art journal from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. I was actually really surprised to find these there. It's a journal full of blank pages, like something you can draw on, write on, you know, do bullet journals, do healing journals, do junk journals, art journals, whatever journals you want to do. So I thought this would be a fun way this year in 2025 for me to do a little something different, and to, you know, journal my thoughts, like my art thoughts on here or something like that. So this is a disclaimer, y'all. This is my interpretation of an art journal. Now, there's many forms of journaling. I'm gonna try every one in here. I know that everyone, you know, there's rules, or I've seen people who are really strict about certain rules about journaling or art journaling. Again, this is my interpretation of an art journal. So, this is what I created for the 25th. So it was so super cute. I will go through what I did a little bit. So on this page here, I inked it with green, the leftover green on my finger dauber, and I just thought it added a little bit something extra, very cute. So I have the date here, and I used my little label maker for this, which I told you guys that I will do a video on this. I just need to figure out how I can use my phone and show you guys how to use the app, and because I use my phone for filming, I mean. But I called her actually Mashrella. I'll explain to you guys about it a little bit more later in that video. But yes, I love this girl. She is amazing. So I made her, so I've been using it for a lot of things, but I made labels right here. I think that'd be a very cute way to have the dates on each, you know. Of course you can write it, you know, but I think this little sticker, it's very cute, you know, convenient. And then I made one that says Merry Christmas. So I have some scrap paper, and who doesn't have some scrap paper? So this is like such a good way to use your scrap paper. So I had this embossed snowflake, or I think it's unembossed, embossed but unembossed, you know, like, I don't know what you call that when it's like flat but it's like embossed in. Somebody might need to drop the terminology for me in the comments below. But it was like a square, so I rounded the corners with my corner rounder. Love her too. She is such a good tool. And then I had this plaid paper left over from my collection, which I used some of but not a lot of this year, which is okay. Always great to have paper left over for next year. And I rounded the corners as well. It was like a rectangle, so I did that layer, and then I did the snowflake layer. Then I had this candy cane square paper that I rounded the corners for as well. And I like this one because it has like stitches, so it's like a stitch square, so it's a little bit more in different texture than the flat paper and then the embossed paper, so we have a stitched one. And then I had these really cute tags that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I wanted to make like a card with it or a project, and I didn't get a chance to, which again, it's okay. So I wanted to do like a Grinch mist kind of thing. So that's why I chose. Did this sticker just come off? Yes, it did. No. It's okay. Put it back on. I think it's because I didn't stick it on that well. And okay, so yeah. So I put the Santa stop here for the Grinch. I didn't know if you would get it, but I think I get it for me. Because we don't want Santa, we want the Grinch to be Santa. And then I have a bow, a candy cane, or something inspired bow. And then you guys know how I make my bows. There's multiple videos on my channel on how to do those. So before I propped this Grinch up on foam tape, I added some of these like silver thread, the thin thread, and that just added a little something extra, just, you know, layering. And then I layered up some stickers, the Christmas tree in the back of the Grinch with the presents, and the presents on the Santa stop here. I have some jemmies, and I have snowflakes in the back. And I wanted to put the foam tape on the Santa stop here, but it didn't look good with those two propped up on foam tape. So I kind of just stuck it up on the corner here, but I wish I had foam tape. I mean, I think I did before, and I think I just like literally looked on my desk right now after my desk was a mess. I cleaned it up. I just found my thinner foam tape, so that would have been like super good right here. I'm gonna see if I could. I really don't want to mess with it and like break anything, but if I can prop this up on foam tape, that'd be cool too. I'll probably move this sticker present over somewhere else. But and then, oh, I said the jemmies right. Yeah, I really love how this turned out. I thought it was super fun, and I can't wait to make more of the art journals on here. Now on this page right here, I have my stamp, my handmade by me label, LB cards _. If you guys didn't realize lately, I think a week ago maybe, I changed my profile pic to this. I love the bear and the heart and the rose, you know, that symbolizes me, butterflies. That symbolizes me as a person, but I don't know, I was feeling a more minimalistic logo, so I'm gonna try that out for a while. If I don't like it, I'll probably go back to the original that it was, but I wanna keep that for now. Okay, so you guys, this is a pocket that I made. It is super cute. It has two pocket areas here, and I will be showing you how to make that in the next video. which is going to be December 31st video. So, I just stuck some little stickers that I made with my Mastrella. That's how I'm going to refer to her, so, you know. And then I put some trim, pom-pom trim here, and like this little gemmy, and then I tied another bow and I put it on the edge here. And the snowmans are kind of upside down and right side up. It is what it is. It's supposed to be a fun little art journal, so, you know. I think I'm gonna decorate more right here, and then we'll move to the next page. And you guys let me know if you enjoyed this type of video, and I will show more of my art journals. I do, from my swap partner Peggy. She sent me lots of fun stickers, so I might do a fairy garden kind of art page in here. So if you guys want to see the process of that, and we could just open the camera and do it together, y'all let me know, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I really need to pull out my watermark, but I'm still in the works of cleaning my craft room, and for me it is a process, and I try to keep up with the cleansing of it nowadays. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want you guys to, oh, almost forgot. So I won't be going by days anymore for the words because we kind of passed that. I'm just going to give you the 2 words. And plus the days are not important for the word. You kind of just need to unscramble the 12 word sentence. But the if you got the hint from the last video, you'll know why it's 12 words. But the 2 words for today's video is of, O-F, and me, M-E. So yeah, guys, I want you guys to always remember to be beautiful, because you cannot be beautiful without being you, because the word you is actually in the word beautiful. So anyways, enough said. Later.